Oxygen is an important element that most living things on Earth need to survive. Oxygen is the third most abundant element in the universe and the first most abundant element in the human body. Oxygen has 8 electrons and 8 protons. It's located at the top of the column 16 in the periodic table. Under normal conditions, oxygen forms a gas, which is a molecule made up of 2 oxygen atoms. This is called diatomic gas. In this binary form, oxygen is a colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas. Oxygen is also found as ozone. Ozone is found in the upper region of the Earth's atmosphere, and it forms the ozone layer that helps protect us from the harmful rays of the sun. Oxygen makes up about 21% of the Earth's atmosphere and 50% of the Earth's crust. And oxygen is one of the atoms that make up water. The water molecule consists of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Oxygen is an important component of life on Earth. It's the most abundant element in the human body and makes up about 65% of the human body mass. Oxygen is used by animals and plants in the respiration process. Oxygen tubes are used in medicine to treat people with breathing problems. The oxygen used to manufacture plastics and the manufacture of very hot fire in welding processes. And liquid oxygen is combined with liquid hydrogen to make rocket fuel. The Swedish chemist Carl Wilhelm Scheele discovered oxygen for the first time in 1772. He named this gas fiery air because it was needed to make the fire used in the combustion processes. The name oxygen comes from the Greek word oxygenes, which means acid producer. It was so called because chemists initially believed that oxygen was necessary for all acids. Water can be converted into hydrogen and oxygen through the method of electrolysis. The oxygen that is found in the air is produced by the process of photosynthesis. Without plants, there would be very little oxygen in the air. In the solar system, only planet Earth has a high percentage of oxygen. Oxygen atoms are an essential part of the proteins and DNA in our bodies. The process in which oxygen is combined with other atoms to make compounds is called oxidation.